Hi everyone, welcome to your PD and this is Shabhya. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about the requirement of SAT in top 2 global universities of Singapore, NTU and NUS. NUS with the global rank of 7 and NTU with the global rank of 11. Now primarily you need to understand that if you want to build up your career, like suppose you're planning to study abroad for your undergraduate program, that to Singapore, whether SAT score would enhance your credibility for admissions, like it is going to help you out, or you don't need to write SAT. So obviously the requirement specifications are different for both the universities. Let's talk first about NUS. Now in case of NUS, SAT is not required if you have done your schooling, particularly your 12th you have done from CBSE or ISC board, right? So admission is based mainly on Indian Standards 12 results with good pass in 5 subjects including English. So your score should be good. In that case, SAT will not enhance your admission chances. But if you are from some other board, from state board or some other board apart from CBSE or ISC, then yes, SAT is mandatory in the case of NUS. That was the first criteria. Let's talk about NTU now. In the case of NTU, similar background. If you have done your 12th program from CBSE or ISC board, in that case, SAT is not required. But remember that you have to score at least 90% in all subjects including English. There also it was a good score, but here at least 90% is required. Also SAT will not enhance your admission chances. So it's not like you will write SAT, so you will get preference related to it. On the other hand, if you are coming from any other domain, like any other board is there, state board or other boards, the SAT is mandatory. And minimum score is 1250, though it depends on the course, on the university you are targeting, because I would suggest that 1400 goes as a safe score. 1350 plus 1400 they goes as a safe score if you want to target some top universities. So plan accordingly and all the best, and start preparing for SAT in case it is needed, in case it's a program of your choice and university of your choice. So all the best. I hope this information helps you, and in case of any information doubt or you want to know something else, please drop up in the comment section. Thank you everyone.